What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur, and today I want to give you 5 ways to make money from YouTube. Now, some of these methods you've already heard of, but I'm going to give you some examples, give you some tips on how you can be more successful. Also, if you currently have a YouTube channel, you're not making much money, and you need help, then you need to watch this entire video because I have something for you that will help. So, let's jump into the video. The first way you can make money with YouTube is using a site called famebit.com. This is where you can get sponsorships. The best part about a sponsorship is that people pay you pretty much just to talk about their product or their service or whatever it is they're trying to sell. For example, let's say you're in the health and fitness niche. Okay, you can come in here and let's say you want to promote here's a weighted blanket. They're going to pay up to $100. Okay, so you can read all about it right here and send them a proposal. The proposal, what you want to do is you want to let them know how you can help. You want to let them know, kind of who your target market is, how you plan on selling their product, and how many videos you will do talking about that product. And they will get back to you whether, okay, yes, I like that idea. Let's go forward with that. And they're probably also going to send you a blanket. Okay, it's hard to review something if you don't have the product. Now, here's the downfall with famebit.com. In order to get approved, you have to link a YouTube channel that has over 5,000 subscribers. Okay, so I don't use this site mainly for my Homemade Entrepreneur channel. I use it for another channel, and I get paid about, I'd say right about $400, $400 to $500 a month for that channel doing sponsorships. But I have to create a video once a week. So 4 videos every single month in order to get this money. And I got 2 different sponsorships. So it is a very effective way. However, it's not the way that's going to make you the most money. It's just going to help you pay those bills. And again, I understand if you don't want to do sponsorships. I was very hesitant to do it. However, I talked with somebody. They kind of convinced me to try it out. I tried it out and absolutely loved it. And now I have partnerships with a few different companies. And it works very well. But number 2, the second way you can make money, and again, it's not one that's going to make you rich, but it's going to pay those bills, is with ad revenue. Okay, so going on to YouTube and getting approved for your monetization. Now, in order to be eligible for this, you have to have 4,000 hours of watch time plus, okay, and you need both, and 1,000 YouTube subscribers. If you don't have that, then you will not get approved. Now, I'm not going to talk a lot about ad revenue because everyone knows what it is. You get paid for views. Pretty simple. Now, I want you to understand something. People that create gaming channels or channels on maybe videos, stuff like that, something that is not very expensive to get into, and something that doesn't have a lot of people trying to compete for ad space, what you're going to find out is you're going to get paid about $1, $1.50 per 1,000 views on a video or on a channel. For instance, stuff in finances, in debt, in real estate, they pay closer to $12 up to $18, $20 for every 1,000 views you get. So there's a big difference. So choose your niche wisely when you're jumping onto YouTube. All right. The third way you can make money with YouTube, and something that I want to give you a gift, I'm going to give it to you right now, all right? It is selling courses. So yes, I'm going to talk about this because I do sell courses, and I do make money from it. It's not the bulk of my income, but it's the majority of my income that comes from YouTube is selling courses or selling services like that. So the first link in the description box below, you can go check it out. It is to this course, and it is, you can see right here, it is free for the first 100 people. After that, after 100 people, I will give you a discount code, okay? So the second link is to buy the course. It's affiliate marketing on YouTube, $1,000 in 45 days. And no, that is not a guarantee that you're gonna make $1,000. It's just, I've had a bunch of people go through this already. And let me explain why I'm giving this away in a minute. But I've had a bunch of people that go through this already, and a lot of them are getting about $1,000 in 30 to 40 days. So they're beating the 45-day goal, but I want to show you how to make a sustainable business using YouTube, and specifically making money through affiliate marketing. Now, let me explain why I'm giving this away first, right? So you can see it's free. Well, why would I give away a course 100% off? Why would I do that? Here's why. So yes, I want to help you out. I want you to make money, but that's not a reason for me to give something away when that's what I just said is I can make money selling courses, right? So why would I give it away? I'm giving it away because I want 100 people to go through this course, and hopefully some of them give me their feedback and their testimonials, and that will help me sell more courses. Okay? Simple as that. You want honesty? There's the honesty. Now, if you do want to get in the course and the 100 people end up taking the free course, and just understand, I'm sending this out to an email list as well, so if you want to jump on this, jump on it quick because those 100 courses are going to go fast. I guarantee it. These 20, they should go fairly quick as well. And if you go to the first link and it says that the coupon code is expired or it's not available, it just means that the 100 people already have taken it. Now, this one, again, 100 people. If that says it's no longer valid, that just means 100 people have taken that one as well. So again, jump on these as quick as possible. So the next way to make money from YouTube. Number 4 is through affiliate marketing. I'm showing you how to do affiliate marketing inside that course, so I'd highly recommend you check it out. But another way to make money is through affiliate marketing. My favorite place to do any type of affiliate marketing is actually Amazon. Okay, you can see I'm actually on Amazon.com right here. But if you scroll to the very bottom of the page, you will see where it says become an affiliate. You click on that link. It takes you to this page. You click join now for free, and you put in, I'd recommend you put in a website, or you can put in your YouTube channel name. If you don't have any videos, it's hard to get approved for an Amazon associate account. But once you have a couple videos, I don't see you having any issues getting approved. Just gotta let them know what it is or how it is you're going to promote their links. So once you do that, there's something you can click right here under Earn, Advertising Fees, and it tells you how much money you're going to make. So for example, if you're into, let's say tools, which I love selling tools. I do that for a home repair channel that I have. Now, selling tools, you get 5.5%. That's not bad. If you sell a $100 tool, which most tools are about $100, you're going to make about $5.50. Again, not bad for one sale. And you can just see right here, if you're selling PC components, 2.5%. Televisions, 2%. When a TV sometimes costs $2,000 plus, you're making 2%. That's not bad either. Okay, it's good money. Okay, all other categories, 4%. You can come and read this if you want to, but this is a great way to make money using affiliate marketing. Second place I like to go to is called clickbank.com. I highly recommend ClickBank. It's one of the first places I started with. Absolutely love it. And you can make some consistent sales because they have so many different products on various categories, and that's a great place to start. One of the things that I've noticed about affiliate marketing, especially leading into 2009, already in 2018, is people just post the link and hope somebody clicks on it. Don't do that. If you want somebody to buy through your affiliate link, what you need to do is give them some incentive to click on that link and actually buy. For example, if let's say I'm gonna sell this mouse, okay? It's a Logitech M215. Have a bunch of these. Highly recommend them. But if I wanted to sell this, why wouldn't I offer a free mouse pad with their purchase? All they gotta do is purchase this mouse, and I will send them a free mouse pad. Okay, the mouse pad, maybe it costs me $1. That's with shipping. Who knows? Okay, maybe it costs me $2. If I can make more than $2 off this one sale, that would be a good incentive to get somebody to click on that link and buy the mouse, right? Now, don't go and take that example. It's a horrible example. You're not making money from it. You'll end up losing money. But that's just my kind of my goal, is to let people know what they're going to get when they buy whatever that said product, plus what could they get from me as a bonus. Offer bonuses because that's one of the best ways you can make money doing this simple thing. All right, so let me see. All right, good. So I ended up screwing up my mouse by flipping it over. Don't know how I did that, but let's get back to the video. The next way you can make money, and something that I don't do much of, but it's a great way to make money, and I highly recommend it if you have the engagement, you have people that follow you and have almost a cult-like following, is to sell merch. Now, right here, I'm on a site, it's called, or on YouTube, obviously, but I went to a channel called How Ridiculous. Absolutely love this channel. It's an incredible channel. Love these guys. They do some great work. Okay, so one of the things you're gonna see, this is called 44. It's called their 44 Club. Okay, so one of the things you're gonna notice is in every video, every single one of these guys has a shirt that says 44, or it's one of their merchandise type shirts. You click on the link down here, it says buy new merch, and they land on this site. Okay, and so people can come and buy some of their shirts. Okay, pretty cool, right? And then if they get a sale, obviously they're gonna make some money. Okay, $14, 14, 14, 14. Yeah, you get the idea. They're making money by getting people to click on that link. One of the things that they do is they mention inside their video, if you're part of the 44 Club, make sure you go and collect some merch. Now you're probably wondering, well, I don't want to create a new website. I don't want to go through all the hassle of creating that stuff. How can I get around it? Well, the first thing you got to do is you have to create some type of merch. You have to put a logo. You have to put a saying. You have to put something on a t-shirt or a mug or a sweater or a pop socket, something. When you do that, put a link inside your description of your YouTube channel, of every single one of your videos, and let them know you have merch available. If you have a cult-like following, for example, on How Ridiculous, there's a bunch of people that go and buy their merch. They go and buy their shirt. They represent it. They wear it as much as possible. And it's not just a way to get brand recognition, but it's a way that you can make some money for your YouTube channel. Because honestly, they're probably not making $1 million a month from their YouTube videos. Okay, they're probably making a decent amount. They might make $2 to $3 per 1,000 views. But again, that's not killing it. That's not making a ton of money. So if you're stuck on making YouTube ad revenue, just know that's a very small portion. There's other ways you can make much more money. Getting into course sales, doing some sponsorships is going to pay you more money than just the ad revenue alone. Doing affiliate marketing and getting into merch sales, especially if you have that cult-like following, I highly recommend it. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. You can ask your questions down in the comment section below. Like I said, okay, go and get, if you want this, okay, if you want, and you can come read the page, okay. But I had a few people that have given me some of their results. You can read that if you want to. Come down here, you can kind of see what's in it, okay, a few different bonuses, and yeah, there you go. So again, that's for 100 people. We'll get it for free, and 100 people will get it for $20, and then it goes up to 33, which is the normal. So again, if you have any questions, let me know. Ask your questions down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed today's video, want more videos on YouTube, making money from YouTube, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.